Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the job visible and safe. Gather screwdriver, pliers, ladder, and a cloth. Once on the ladder, lower the shade all the way so you can access the end caps. Use one hand to support the roller tube, then loosen the bracket pins or screws. This prevents the tube from dropping. While you work, inspect the mounting brackets and end caps for obvious damage. Make sure to note which side is spring-loaded so you can reassemble correctly. Once removed, lay the tube on a flat surface and examine the spring and clutch assembly carefully. If the spring is loose or the clutch shows wear, you can retension or swap the clutch. This restores rolling action. Clean debris from the tube and apply silicone spray sparingly to the clutch and spring. Avoid oil-based lubricants because they attract dirt. If the tube is bent, replace it. If an end cap is cracked, replace that first and test the Now you reinstall the tube, engaging the spring-loaded side first if applicable, and secure the fixed end into its bracket. Once seated, slowly release tension and test by lowering and raising the shade several times so the spring and fabric seat evenly. If the shade rolls unevenly, pause and adjust spring tension or shift the tube a few millimeters in the brackets. Make sure brackets are level. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to check for a bent tube or worn clutch. Replace the faulty part and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.